Today I'm taking a look at the Milwaukee M18 Compact Brushless 2-Tool Combo Kit. Okay, so we do got a little case. Got our instructions, solutions inside. We got 2 batteries. We got a charger. So these are cool because they're good for the M12 and the M18. So it doesn't matter what kind of battery you got. Then we got our impact, and we got our drill. Starter comes with the clip installed, so if you need to, you can hang this thing off your belt, so if you can work with 2 hands, and then you can go back and grab this thing whenever you need it. You can see that is a big 1/2-inch chuck. So even if you need to grab on the bigger drills, you can do that with this. Got a nice lock and chuck on there. This is very important because when you're dealing with a drill, you don't want that thing to be spinning inside the chuck. We got our torque settings on the top. So it goes all the way from a 1 up to a straight drill. So I can probably grab this and just hold it. So that way, if you're going to be drilling into something and you're worried about this thing twisting and smacking you in the head, you don't have to worry about it with that. But if we put it on straight drill, we do have to worry about that. So it's always nice having a clutch like that. Got 2 speeds. We got a light so we can see what we're working on. Most importantly, this is brushless. So what that means is it's the better type of motor, so this is going to last longer because it doesn't have those brushes in there making contact. The battery's going to last longer and it's going to have more power. So this is the only style of drill that you want to use. It does have a nice feel and grip. It is fully rubberized. Rubberized on the back. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Battery does have an indicator. Wow. It actually send that with 1 bar of charge. So I'm going to have to charge these things up. But no matter, we can do that. And these are the side locking clips. Nice, strong feeling impact and nice and quiet. This also has the belt clip pre-installed, so we can just hang that guy up and climb up a ladder. And we've got our light there on the front. It has a standard chuck, so you just pull the release, and I do like seeing all that extra metal in there. But all you gotta do, pull that chuck up, drop it in, and it is locked in place. You want to release it, pull it up again, nice and quick. And so what makes these things so good is if you need to drive anything, hence the word driver, it is just about the best thing for it. There you go. Just mind the wood. Impact drivers are pretty awesome because you rarely strip ahead with one, especially if it's a good one like this. Easy money. And because they're M18, if you got any other products that are the Milwaukee M18, you can use the exact same battery in all the products. There we go. So it is great having that interchangeability. So yeah, that is a heck of a kit. I'm gonna get these guys charged up and we're gonna put them to work.